up, you guys? It's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. And thank you to the new subbies and my day one subbies. I really do appreciate you guys. Hope y'all liking these videos. I hope y'all stay tuned in. And yeah, today I am going to be doing a review on this hair. I had this hair in my closet for a very long time, and I know Halloween is over, but I don't know. Something told me I wanted a different color and she didn't have it, so I was like, just give me this so I can see what it's hitting for, because it has a bang. It looked good on the mannequin, and I was just like, give it to me then. Just give it to me. So this is the Fringe Frame Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Wig from Sensationnel. It says natural looking fringe unit, non-bulky brow skimming bang, protective style, no leave out necessary. I think I initially wanted her. This is Terry's Silver Gray. T1B Silver Gray Terry, and I wanted to put her up in a ponytail like she has on this side right here. So they have all these colors in the back. This is crazy. Oh, you even still have to cut the lace. Why would they even do that? It has combs by the temples, and it has a comb in the nape area with adjustable straps per usual. This is a standard structured wig. Oh my god. I look like Storm from X-Men. But why I kind of like this low-key. If I had the other color, I would really like it. But this salt and pepper silver, it is kind of cute. I ain't even gonna hold you. This is the length of the hair. I'm looking like real Barbie-ish. Alright, let's try to pick this up. Tie down the edges so it can feel like my hair. If I was able to put this up, I would love this. I mean, I kind of like it and then I kind of don't. I don't know if it's the makeup. I don't know if it's how the hair is. I wish I could do the half up, half down thing like this, but it was just giving me a hard time. And yeah, if you was to glue it down, you'll be good money. Look at that. That's good. The back of the wig is kind of like wiggy and synthetic-y, like OD. So yeah, I would give this wig a 6 for the frame of it and the fit of it. If I had another color, I would probably really like it, but since I only got this one, it kind of looks cute with the outfit, but I don't know. Let me know what y'all think down below, and until next time, peace.